Good afternoon, I'm Drew Holley with BIS Benefits, joined by Jesse Couch. This is America's most boring podcast where we talk about insurance, and even more boring, we talk about business-to-business insurance. And today we're going to talk about builder's risk insurance. What the heck is builder's risk? Does every company out there need that? What does it cover, not cover?
So just think of builder's risk coverage for a property that's being built under construction. So
Okay.
that can be a big renovation. If you bought a house and wanted to gut it down to the studs, put $500,000 to redo the inside and maybe some exterior, that could need a builder's risk policy as well.
Okay.
A lot of the carriers have vacancy provisions, especially if it's a vacant building that you own. So you want to get a property policy to cover the construction. So it could be a ground up, brand new home, brand new building. Doesn't really matter if it's for a residential or commercial building. It's all covered by a builder's risk policy.
Okay.
So at the end of the day, you just want something in place. So say you're 95% done through the job as the building owner and there's a fire, burns to the ground, who's going to pay for that, right?
So it's kind of like a home insurance just for a commercial building.
Yep. And then once the construction's done, then you'd put it under your homeowner's insurance.
Okay.
Or just a standard commercial property policy.
Got it. So basically, personal people have their home insurance, commercial have their property insurance. Builder's risk is really maybe a new build or big renovation.
Correct.
That might give you extra protection beyond just the simple property.
Yep.
Is that the best way to explain it?
Yeah, it's just a property policy for a building that's undergoing renovations or new construction.
And the carriers make us do that as opposed to the simple property because there might be added risk or exposure because they're working on it.
Yeah.
Is that a good way to look at it?
That's right.
Okay. Well, here at BIS, we really want to break down very complex insurance products and make it simple because I think there's a lot in our industry. They sometimes don't do a good job of explaining it. And I found explaining commercial, whether it's health insurance or property, if you break it down to people's home or their personal car, it tends to resonate. So hopefully that's helpful for you guys. And if you have any specific questions, feel free to reach out to BIS Benefits at bisbenefits.com. Thanks, Jesse.
Thank you.